Na-extend po ulit ang estate tax amnesty, I think for the final time, at ito po ang top 10 questions tungkol sa estate tax amnesty final extension. Number 1, hanggang kailan po ito? Ito po ay until June 14, 2025. Ano po ang coverage? Lahat po ng namatay ng May 31, 2022 paatras, or those who died before June 2022 ay covered. So, na-extend din po ang coverage ng mga namatay. What is the minimum tax? 5,000 or 6% of the net taxable estate, whichever is higher pa din. Yun pa rin po. At least 5,000 pesos. How do you value the estate? Ito po yung value ng property or ng estate at the time of death. So, kung real property siya, ano yung zonal or tax deck, which is the market value at the time of death, hindi po sa ngayon. Or kung personal property naman siya, kung halimbawa shares of stock, ano po yung halaga niya dun sa Philippine Stock Exchange on or nearest the time of death. Pag privately listed company naman, yung fiscal year, yung value of the shares on the fiscal year preceding the time of death. So kung ba 2022 siya namatay, kung ano yung FS ng company, yung value ng shares of stock ng 2019. What are the allowable deductions? Depende po sa batas at the time of death. So titignan po dapat dun sa table kung kailan siya namatay, kung covered siya ng 1997 tax code or another tax provision. Can I pay on installment? This time, yes. You can pay up to 2 years from the time you settle. Pwede po installment up to 2 years. How do I file for husband and wife? Pwede po isettle yung estate nila jointly. Kahit na yung isa ay namatay abroad at yung isa ay namatay dito, pwede po sa isang venue na lang kung saan po yung RDO na nagko-cover kung saan namatay dito yung asawa na dito po sa Pilipinas namatay. Can I settle kahit na wala pang EJS o wala pang court decision? The answer is yes. Pwede nyo po bayaran yung estate tax amnesty, pero hindi mag-i-issue ng CAR yung BIR until magkaroon ng EJS or masettle yung case. So, paano naman po kung walang EJS? Paano ka magbabayad? Mag-execute ka lang po ng affidavit of kinship or heirship, na ikaw ay kamag-anak ng namatay, attach proof of your relationship, either as the spouse or the child or the grandchild, o kung ano pa man na patunay na ikaw po ay tagapagmana. Even, what if there is no death certificate? Pwede po any other proof. Pwede affidavit ng dalawang matatanda dun sa area na yun. Proof of death can be through secondary evidence, such as, yun nga, an affidavit of 2 disinterested persons. And additionally, can I file manually or electronically? The answer is, you can do either. So sana po nakatulong po itong mga top 10 natin regarding the estate tax amnesty extension. Higit po sa lahat, tandaan po natin ang sabi sa 1 Peter 1:3, wherein through Jesus Christ we will receive an inheritance o mana that will never perish, spoil, or fade. Hindi siya masisira, hindi siya mapapanis, at hindi siya maluluma. Thank you and God bless.